Oh, fucking heavy. So we're gonna be disassembling all the interiors, the dash. We need to remove the roll cage and the seats, plastics, everything gonna be removed. Let's start it.
In my heart is a waterfall, bleeding pine trees, lit up windows and poison arrows. In my heart is a waterfall of silver linings and dirty laundry and bedtime games. In my
So we are preparing the inside of the car.
You're hot inside.
Today is super hot here in Spain. And we just saw that the oil pump was not fitting in. So we don't know what's going on with this oil pump, and we're gonna be removing now the dry sump, and to check all the engine from inside, cleaning everything and make sure that the engine is in conditions